Yes, let's continue. We are still on dollar underscore get super global. Okay. Here we are going to look at how you can use dollar underscore get to collect information from the URL. Okay. Yeah. Now I will comment this once out as well. Then I will move down here. Okay. Okay. I think what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use this external form to do that. But before that, I have to also comment this form so that I can create a just a simple anchor, a simple link. Okay. So I will try to comment this out as well. You know how to comment an HTML page out. You use bracket, tag like this, then you put exclamation mark, then you put double hyphen. It is commented out. You come down here, you close the comments here, double. Refer to your HTML if you've forgotten. So I've been able to comment out HTML page here, and I've commented out all the PHP page as well. So I'm going to come down here, good, and create. If you watch, see everything here commented out. Okay, if I show this in the URL, you see that nothing will show. You see it is empty right now because I commented out everything. You get that? So great. So I will now come down here and create what we want to show, what we want to use. So you have to create an anchor tag, hyper reference equals to. You want to actually refer this to this form. Okay. So you have to say form, oh sorry, you put it in quotes, okay? Say form underscore validation.php. Then after that, now this is what I want to do now. I want to create a variable in this URL, okay? So I will just put question mark, then I'll create a variable now. I will say, let's say heroic, maybe I'll call it school, or I'll call it academy. Academy is the variable now. You can say equals to heroic online computer institute, heroic online computer institute. Okay. Then after that you after that you put and. When you put and, it means that you want to create another variable, okay? And the second variable is let's say another variable I want to create is I think, okay, let's make do with the first variable for now. Maybe subsequently we create another. Okay, let's make do with the first one. Okay, I'll close the quote. Okay, so you see I've been able to create a variable. I've been able to create a link. Okay, so when you click on, I'm going to make it let me finish it first so that you understand much better. Okay, I will just close this up, then I put my maybe I say click here, click here. Let me just say click here. Okay, then you close the anchor tag. Then you see when I go back to this place right now and click, you're going to see click here. This is a link I just created now. Okay, if I click on this link, look at what will happen. It will immediately link me to this page. Okay, and this page contains some PHP code. I don't need this code right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let me comment it out so that I can explain to you what this means. Okay, comment it out. Okay, good. We save, run it again. So you see you have nothing but, then watch the URL that it followed. It follows this URL, and this is a variable you created, and this is the value of the variable. So what we want to do now is that we want to use dollar underscore get method, okay, to get this information in our page. Okay, so what we are going to do here is, let's say we'll go back to PHP code. Now this is now the time to code. You can just say you can come here and just, maybe you can call this academy, then you say dollar underscore get, dollar underscore get academy. Academy is the variable you created, you get me? And that is what we are picking. Okay, let me delete this, not important. You can now come here and echo maybe welcome start. Let me delete all these things so that you don't get confused. Okay, so I'll do it from the scratch. All right, you can echo. Watch, you've been able to use this dollar underscore get academy to collect the value of this academy, okay, and assign it to this academy variable. Are you getting me? Then you can just say, oh, you can just echo. You say you are welcome, okay, to, then you copy this, you put here, then you close it up. You know what you just did right now? You were able to actually, you're able to get this variable that is on the URL and assign it to this, then you call it here. Okay, let's see what we get. Let's see how it goes. When I click here right now, you're going to see you are welcome to Heroic Online Computer Institute. It means that this academy, I mean, with dollar underscore get, we're able to get the value of this academy, sorry. So with dollar underscore get, we're able to get the value of this academy. And this academy is what? Heroic Online Computer Institute. So when you get academy and you echo it, it's going to echo the value of the academy. And that is what we get here. This thing is so important. As we move on with our coding, we get to a point where we are going to use all these things so much. So try to understand it as much as you can now. If you are confused in any way, by the time we get into the real project, then it makes lots of sense to you. You're going to enjoy every ride with me, okay? That said, I think we're going to go back here. Let me make this capital, okay? Let me make it capital, okay? Because it's small. Okay. Now we're back to this place. I think there's need for us to assign variable, second variable now. Now you've seen how we're able to get this information from the URL with dollar underscore get. Let's assign another variable. We say, and then let's say course, okay, equals to. Then you put programming. Let me just put programming for now. Programming. Good. So you find out that we're able to create another variable by using this and. We use and to add another variable. This is another variable here. This one is the first one. This is the second one. Okay. This parameter, the first one, and the second parameter here, and the value of this one is this. The value of this is this. You get that now? Beautiful. Now, having done that, you save. When you save, let's go back and add this. You see how we can add this one? We'll go back to this form validation here. We add, maybe you say we, I've closed this. So it's going to be within a quote. We offer the full stop. We offer, before you say we offer, I think we have to come here, duplicate this. Then this time around you say $_get course, so that you get the course for you from the URL. Then you assign it to cost variable. You get that? Then you can now come here. Let me copy the URL here. I say we offer course. Okay, this is the course, it's collected from URL. You get that? All these things will make it dynamic, as in to make your programming very dynamic and interactive. Okay, you offer course. Then you can now say course in our institute. Please, if you get confused, watch this video over and over so that you get it. Okay, so this will read something like we offer the value of this course, which is programming. So it will read like we offer programming course in our institute. You get that? So it's going to read you are welcome to the value of academy, which is Heroic Online Computer Institute. You get that? It will now read we offer. When it comes to course, it will replace this variable course with the one collected from the URL, which is programming, okay, in our institute. You get that? Now let's see what we get. You run it. Okay, there's a challenge. Let me see. Maybe I didn't spell the course well. Okay, you didn't get it. Let me check the situation. Okay, let's continue. There's no problem as a matter of fact. It's just that the URL that we created earlier is still on the data on this URL, as in the first variable we created, which is this one. This academy is the only one still on the URL. Okay, I didn't clear it, but I've cleared it for now. I didn't remove it, so it has to be like this. Okay, for it to work. Okay, you see that there's no more URL and no more other additional information on the URL other than the normal one. Okay, you see. Okay, now as it is right now, you are going to run it. You see what we get. You see that if you watch the URL, you see that there's a variable created, and this is the value of the variable, another variable created, and this is the value. And see how it is collected here. It is collected this way. You are welcome to Heroic. You know this value, the academy replaced with Heroic Online Computer Institute. Okay, you're welcome to Heroic Online Computer Institute. Then you see we offer programming. Okay, this programming, here you say course. Okay, sorry, you say course here. Okay, so the value of course is replaced here with programming, because the value of course is programming. Do you see that? Programming. You get that? So we offer programming course in our institute. So that is, you see how we're able to use $_get to collect information from the URL. Thank you so much.